So before we get back into the regularly scheduled home makeover content, I had to drop another budget travel vlog for you guys, okay? We spent 8 days in Costa Rica at 2 different locations, so these next few videos are gonna detail all about it. Now for the purpose of the videos, I'm gonna split the cost breakdowns evenly down the middle, just so that it's easier to reference the numbers when you guys are planning your trips. Now how you actually wanna split it, that's up to you. But yeah, a lot has been happening. We are currently in the process of renovating the home that we just bought. So yeah, after these next few vlogs, the home makeover content is going to go crazy. But for now, enjoy Costa Rica. It's the last day in this hotel, not in Costa Rica. What are we doing? We were supposed to be getting to breakfast early.
I don't know why you're looking at me.
So basically we're going to breakfast now. One thing I really like about this hotel, ooh, this is a steep, is that it has a later checkout. So checkout is at noon and check-in is at 2 p.m. So it's 9:30 or almost 9:30 right now. Breakfast ends at 10, so we're gonna have to eat really quickly. And then we went to the hot springs a couple days ago, but we didn't really like fully experience it. So we're gonna do the hot springs after breakfast and then maybe the pool too, because we have 2 hours to spare until checkout time. And we already made sure that we packed this morning so that literally once we're done with the pool, we just come back, shower, grab our stuff and go. We're gonna vlog the second hotel once we get there. It's probably an hour and a half, maybe almost 2-hour drive to the second hotel. So yeah, okay, bye. Hot springs.
Look at that.
So the pool is over there. Hot springs this way. So if we're not mistaken, I think this is cold water, warm water, hot water. Let's see. Yeah, that one's cold. Warm. Hot. Okay, so this one, we're in the medium warm one. I think he said
17 degrees Celsius?
degrees Celsius, yeah. And this one's pretty damn hot. It's like a regular hot tub. So yeah, I'm definitely not getting in the super hot one. I think you're supposed to do the mud. You're supposed to soak in the warm one, then do the mud, shower, rinse it off. Then I think you're supposed to go into the cold one to finish it off. So you can close off your pores. How's it feel?
It does feel smooth.
Yeah. And it's like warm.
Yeah.
This whole thing is just so scenic. This feels so good. It's really smooth. It's not like, you know, gritty dirt like at home. It's like really warm and soft. I think we're supposed to wait for it to dry. Yeah. And then we're gonna rinse it off in the showers.
It almost just feels like almost feels like lotion.
Yeah, no, it definitely feels like it's smooth like lotion, definitely. Or like a, I don't know, like a thick mask or something. It's not even that thick. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna rinse this off and then I'm gonna put my phone away. Bye! You'll probably see us at the next hotel. Almost there. Made it. This room is a lot smaller just because we really splurged on the first hotel. Okay, full body mirror, cool. Bathroom. Nice. Oh, that's nice. Shower. Nice and clean, like it. Nice amenities, have the little coffee maker. Now, one thing I will say, I personally wouldn't drink this. It's really cute, it's aesthetically pleasing, but there's no seal. You can tell the bottle has been opened already, both of them. So they probably refill these because I also noticed this cute little bottle policy. It says not to break or destruct or lose the bottle, and if you do, it's $30 per unit. So what that tells me is that they keep these bottles here because they refill them. Is it tap water, distilled? I don't know, and I don't want to find out. So yeah, we're not drinking this because I don't like that. Like Darian went to open these and like you're supposed to, you know what I'm talking about? You're supposed to hear a nice little when you open the bottle. The seal was broken. This is nope. But it is cute though. Balcony view. This is so pretty. The sun is setting. Buffet style. Not bad, not bad. And then we can sit outside if we want to. We got the salad bar. Okay, yeah, we was definitely judging too soon. Desserts. This is the drink menu. Everything's included. Got me a non-alcoholic strawberry daiquiri. What's yours?
Mine is a mango mojito.
Oh, mojito. That looks good. Not your plate already being empty. I barely put a dent. Is the cat still there? Oh, the cat is still there. Oh.
Mine is business.
It's the backside of the complex. I always catch him just enjoying the scenery. I do this too sometimes. Let me hurry up because he thinks I'm getting ready. Going to breakfast now. Today is going to be like a day of relaxation. We really don't have anything planned for today. We might go to the beach. Oh, you can't see it. But maybe tomorrow. We'll see. We're hoping it doesn't rain tomorrow. I think it's supposed to rain maybe around the noon time. We're going ATV riding at 9 a.m. And then the rest of the day is just kind of open. So yeah, maybe we'll do the beach tomorrow. Got plenty of fruit. Oh, bread. Oh, yogurt. And then they got different quesos. Boiled eggs. Ooh, omelets. Ooh, omelets with cheese. French toast, banan. So this is the lunch meal. He took a smaller portion than I did, so now I feel bad. That's okay. The food slaps every time. Okay. Mm-hmm. Today is the excursions day, so we're going ATV riding this morning and then jet skiing, but it's supposed to rain. Well, it says it's supposed to drizzle at 3, so we're gonna get there at like 2 and see if we can. It's only for an hour. We decided not to go with a tour. We're just doing jet ski rentals only because I've jet skied twice already, so I really don't need the tour. And we spent all last night watching like jet ski safety videos because I wanted to make sure he was good. Hopefully that goes well. Hopefully we're safe and everything goes well. No one flips off the jet ski. But yeah. Basically, I have to go through the process of sealing everything back up. So these are all my clean clothes. Dirty clothes are going in that bag. It's the pump. Y'all, get these bags. I'm gonna link this in my Amazon store under my travel section so you can find it. These bags came in clutch, okay? Breakfast time. It is 7:20, so we're still on schedule. Still on schedule. Last breakfast. So it's 8:02, so we're still running good on time. We were trying to book the jet skis for 8 a.m., but he said 9, so I was like, okay, fine. So I'm just nervous, because if we mess around and miss our flight, it's completely our fault, because who told us to jet ski the morning before our flight? Nobody. So yeah, I think we're good on time now. But yeah, we're just gonna like relax for the next hour, watch a movie. Ready to go. So yeah, bye! Jet ski time!
Ready.
We're on schedule. We're on schedule. Let me follow him. Look at him. before I put my phone away. And then, yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we done. Oh, he's saying hi. Say hi. Whee! 1 to 10, how was it?
I'll give that a 9. That was
9?
fun.
Yeah. We're actually on time. Our flight's actually at 2:30, not 2. And it is 11:15 right now, so we have time. We're good. There's a gas station right up the street from Adobe. The place is called a rental car fill up, so they probably did that on purpose, which is pretty cool. So yeah, and she said that we could pay cash and card, which is great, so we can get rid of the rest of our colones and then pay with card for whatever we didn't, whatever the cash doesn't cover. So yeah, car return. 12:13, made it to the airport. Now we'll see how long customs takes. All right, that was the fastest TSA in the history of all fast TSAs. We went in and out in like 45 seconds. So yeah. Ooh, can we get food now? Food. Yeah, we're probably gonna get something to eat, but that's really it, y'all. So